Hi everyone, Horizon here, just living in a database, and for today's video, I'm going to unbox the NOKIA C1. I purchased it on a very competitive price, around 3,000 pesos on Shopping Mall. It was a NOKIA certified store, so I didn't worry about getting scammed. The parcel arrived within 2 weeks since I ordered it, and it was really in a good packing condition. You have a big brown box inside the box with the plastic bubble wrap. It also have a 1-year warranty and a free alcohol bottle. So there you have it, the Kia box, and we have the free jelly case. I think it's free on the Kia certified shopping mall. We also have a free smart SIM card, which I don't use often because everyone in the family is using Globe. So inside the box we have a stand, the phone itself. We also have some accessories like the power brick and the USB micro cable. There's also the removable 2500 mAh battery. And there's some quick start guide you probably never read. So let's proceed on opening the unit. It has a dual 3G nano SIM slot. You need to remove the back plastic case to be able to insert the battery, and it also supports 64 gig of SD card slot. It's really good to have the Android 9 Pie Go Edition, a toned version of an Android 9 Pie. It has a 5.45-inch display. It was an IPS with a 720p, I guess max. It has a 1 gig RAM, which is enough for your light usage, and 16 gig internal storage. You don't need to expect too much on a 3,000 peso phone. So I tried playing YouTube videos and it up to 480p. So next, let's try this on gaming. And it surely disappoint you with a quad-core 1.3 processor. Yeah, the Mobile Legends is barely playable. You don't need to expect too much. If you have some money to spare, just bought a 5,000 peso mobile phone because you can play better with it. That's why I call this Tita phone, because you can't play that much. If you're planning to buy this just to play Mobile Legends, this is a warning for you guys. After a disappointing game fight with Mobile Legends, let's try this Subway Surfer. A very old game, it should run smoothly. To be honest, it has a noticeable lag. The quad curve didn't catch up well. So this is a data phone and I'm expecting Candy Crush could go well with this. This one definitely not for gaming. We all know that Nokia produces phone with a long-lasting battery, and this is no different. I'm getting around 2 to 3 days on just texting, light gaming, and light social media feeds, and it can go up to 100% in 2.5 hours. If you're planning using this to capture your memorable photos, here are some samples. I can't complain too much for its 5 megapixel rear and front camera, so judge all you want. Here are some samples. So there you have it. It was a certified data phone because of its specs based on the price. Since I do a lot of purchases online and someone wants me to buy a cheap phone, I would definitely recommend this Nokia because it was cheaper and I trust the brand. It has a good battery, a decent screen size and resolution. Just what your data needs. It's not for gaming, yes, but you can rely on other things. It has a decent photo, especially on good lighting conditions. This is my to-go recommendation for 3,000 pesos. Thanks guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please support this channel so I could make a lot of cool and interesting tech videos. See you later. Bye.